When choosing a paint to refresh the walls in your home, apart from just the color, you also want to consider the finish. Do you want an elegant sheen finish to reflect light, or a luxurious matte finish to diffuse light and hide plaster imperfections? In this video, we'd like to focus on Duram's Platinum collection of interior and exterior paints, particularly Satin Touch, Wall Tech and the Classic Matte. Available in elegant finishes and beautiful depth of color, they provide maximum protection with a lifetime interior guarantee and a 15-year exterior guarantee, offering you luxury for a lifetime. You can choose between satin, low sheen or matte. Generally, glossier paints are more durable and easier to clean, while matte finishes are more forgiving and cover imperfections. A satin finish, sometimes referred to as a medium sheen, provides an elegant and subtly radiant look. The medium luster protects against wear and tear and therefore makes it the perfect paint for areas with high traffic. Satin Touch is scrubbable and stain resistant to withstand scuffs, marks and wear, and will stay beautiful for years to come. A low sheen finish creates a softly polished glow and offers a smooth, lightly reflective finish with a rich appearance. Its durability and simple maintenance provides a washable, easy to clean surface. Wall Tech offers extreme weather protection with maximum dirt resistance and color retention that ensures a freshly painted look for longer. A matte finish diffuses light and is least reflective, resulting in a smooth, flawless appearance that hides plaster imperfections. It creates warmth and contrasting surfaces, enhances color depth, and reduces glare from artificial light. Being a premium paint, Classic Matte with Soft Touch provides a velvety and smooth tactile feel. Fully washable and burnish resistant, it withstands scuffs, stains, and marks, a great choice for a flawless finish. Next time you go shopping for paint, you can choose your color and finish for a beautiful living space. Luxury for a lifetime with Duram's Platinum collection. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips on transforming your home with Duram. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. Duram, made smart to look smart.